Hello everyone. Hello. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whenever you seeing this video. So let's get started, guys. Just sharing my screen. So let me know when my screen is visible, guys. I think it is visible. So let's start trading, guys. सबको नमस्ते, जय हिंद, जय भारत. Let's see what is happening on. Let me delete the entire drawings. All right. So let's see what is happening on the daily time frame. See, in the daily time frame, market is in higher highs. As you can see that the EMA direction is in upward direction. That means market is going in the up direction. And if the market is going in the up direction on the daily basis, then we as a trader, as a scalper, has to trade in the direction of the market. But we have to keep in mind that this is the daily time frame. And in daily time frame, this is the actually the time frame is way higher, and we have to trade at the 5 minutes, something like that, so that we can also see something very unusual, that is though market isn't going in higher highs, but as there are 8 hours and there is 8 hours and 47 minutes to close this candle, you can just see that there is a pressure from the top, and this is a wick that this candle is making, that is showing us that there is a dominance of seller over here, or their seller is trying to put the market in a downward direction. So this is not straightforward that the market is going in the up direction, we just have to jump in the buying direction. No, this is a pullback actually, guys. So, and pullback may last till here as well, and on the daily time frame, if pullback lasts in here, then means the shorter time frame it is a selling range. So we have to see see at 4 hour time 4 hour candle, you can just see that this is very unusual candle after going in the up direction, and this candle suddenly starts to create. That means there might be a trend shift also, or might be the market is going in the consolidation phase from here, and it don't want to go in the up direction. So anything can happen, and we have to see, because I can see one thing very clearly is that this is where the buyers are present right now. This is the buying zone, guys. So let me stretch a bit. Yeah. So this is the buying zone, guys. And at buying zone, market is coming to this buying zone. And if the market didn't respect this buying zone, and this candle going to starts going in the downward direction, then there is a chances that market will reverse, and there is a new trend shift that market is going in the downward direction. Because after this much of buying, if it is slowing down or something like that, then there is opportunity for sellers to come in and starts playing in their favor. So as of 15 minutes time frame, you can see that from here, that is 848 to 376 848. So it's almost 1500 points fall, and there is still scope that market can touch this area. So there is a chances that market can make another uh, 2 to 300 points move in the downward direction, and then it will react according to this buying area. So there is a scalping opportunity in the downward direction actually. So we will try to punch a trade in the downward direction, but not as of now, since this is where market also faced support, and went in the buying till here. After that, though it shifted its mindset and going, so this selling actually wiped out all these buyers who just came in the buying, and these sellers wiped out these buyers. That means the one who's present at this area are sellers only, and they have price action in control as of shorter time frame, and they might want to make another test in the downward direction. So this is actually uh, the opportunity, but at the same time you can say that after this much fall, this is a pullback, and market is trying to make another fall downward direction, and if it rejects again, then there is a double bottom and market can reverse from here. So we can have a quick scalping, very quick scalping. We will not get much points, we'll only get like 300 400 points, but we can have a one quick scalp in Bitcoin. But for that, price has to come to my buying area, sorry, selling area. um let me see what is happening at let me delete the entire drawing. The weekly time frame market is actually, can't say anything. Market is weak only, like, okay. So in the daily time frame you can see the market went in somewhat buying, but as of daily time frame you can see that market is not that much interested in buying and may make another move in the downward direction, although this is very weak buying. And we can just see that if there is opportunity in the selling side, side by side we can also open trading view for gold, and because some of the candles are missing in this chart, we can just see XAUS X. Mm, yeah, let's go with this. So what I'm seeing is this. Let me delete this as well. Oh no, I don't want to delete three drawings. I just only want to delete two. What is that, yaar? Let me delete it manually. All right. So what I'm seeing on the 4-hour time frame, the market went in the buying rather than going in the selling direction. So our uh, biasness is also in the in the buying direction actually, guys. So but at the same time you can see that this is where uh, oh crazy god. So at the same time we have to see that from here market went in the falling state, but at the same time you can see that this is uh, very good buying actually. So very impulsive buying you can say, and market can give us chance in the buying side, so we are biased towards buying rather than selling. And let's see, this might act as a double top actually. So what I can see from price action here is it can make a double top and can touch this again, but as of now there is no zone that we can trade, because there's nothing because the the initial the initial trend is in the going in the up direction, but at the same time market starts in consolidation phase and may take some time to uh, adjust itself, and so we don't want to get trapped in this kind of market. Yup. Yeah, see after this big green candle, it is stupidity that we try to sell. And what here happened is that this is where market took support and now it is going in the up direction. So support can happen from any point. If market sees that there are buyers present at some any area can act as a buying buyers or sellers. uh, silver is also going in the buying direction, so we just have to find the buying area in the silver again. The same time we have to be little bit careful with this area as well. Mm, okay, nice. Hmm. So there is no trading zone at all because we can't do buying from here and expect market to go in the up direction, because the nearby there is a selling zone, and we don't want market to give us a stop loss. So let's can't do anything, just to wait for our setup to trade, otherwise we'll suffer a loss, and I don't want to uh, suffer loss today, because let me show you the analytics. See, this is the May month analytics, and you can just see that we have traded for 2 days. This is today is 6th May, and in this 2 days, the net realized profit loss is $29. So this is what it the month may look like. So although this is very minimal stop loss or minimal loss that we can have, but at the same time, I don't want my daily streak to be in the red. I want my entire month should be in green, and for that we have to wait for our setup. because let me tell you guys, this trading is actually a very boring process. Very boring, guys. We have to see what each and every candle is doing. What is the psychology behind each and every candle? What people are thinking? What why they are? Because this is very this each and every candle shows the emotions. Let's see. Let me encrypt a little bit for you guys. You can just see that this is where see market is going in the up direction very beautifully, right? And for all of sudden market paused here. So this is a pause. This can be considered as a pullback also after this much of buying, and people thought that this is a pullback, but at the same time you can just see the strength of the right candle. This strength of the right candle is extreme. See, there is no almost no downward swing. So this full body candle in the downward direction, and that creates the panicness in these buyers. All of a sudden, like you sit here at this peak, and all of a sudden you can just see that you are climbing high with the profit and going in the up direction, and all of a sudden market paused. You saw and you start thinking, oh, this is a regular pullback, and it's a regular pullback. You can see that there's a regular pullback, and the market tried to continue in the up direction. But at the same time, as you can see, pullback here and then consolidation and again go in the up direction is the normal pullback. But this red candle itself is very scary. And that and if I am sitting at this candle and with a good profit, and after seeing this red candle, I would be little worried about this. What happened to my to this price action? And I in the fear I may start booking profits. I don't want to give entire profit to price action to market again. I start booking some of the profits, and this can create a domino effect in the downward direction. Because if I'm trying to sell, I'm trying to book my profit. That means I am trying to sell, and sell order creates one more red candle. As you can see, after this, there should be a green candle in the direction if there's a regular pullback. But at the same time, you can see that market made this indecisive candle, or you can say dozy candle, which is indecisive and at the same time can represent the trend reversal as well. And this is where the market, as a good trader, you can see that there might be a trend reversal. And after this uh, after this red candle crossed the low of the previous green candle or the previous red candle, this is very certain and a good point where we can enter as a seller, and with a proper stop loss in mind like this. And you can just enjoy two or three candles in the downward direction. And there is a pullback. Why this pullback came? Because there are buyers at this area, and the same area. Then there is a hope again. There is a hope that market will go in the up direction. Market went, and this green candle after this red candle, suddenly this start making green candle will also create panicness in the new buyers. And market, if market wants to go in the downward direction, the with and it want to go ahead in the forward in the long term, then it can the market tendency is to wipe out all the new players. So the new players here enter of this these red candles are the sellers, and market wiped out those with this green candle, and then made another consolidation phase. And this consolidation phase is in itself an indication that market is going to make another movement in a downward direction, because this is acting as a two double top. And again it went here, and there is a rejection from here. This might be quite uncertain why this came, and this can be as pullback as well, where a seller starts booking their profit, and then market giving another movement in the downward direction. At the same time, this has reached this area where the buyers are sitting for the long time. As you can see, for 1 hour time frame, I have concluded that there are buyers at this area, and market is at this position again. So after this much of buying, if market is going in the downward direction, these are the sellers who wiped out these buyers. Now who left here are the old buyers, and if they don't want to protect their zone area, then seller will get motivated and dominant enough to cross this green area and will uh, and then you can see that there's a trend reversal after this breakout. So we have to be, and after this there's a sitting over here, and the market went in the buying direction, but not that much great. And after that it also tested and it also wiped out the recent buyers out here. So now if market really wants to continue in the up direction, then this is the good point, because all the new buyers are out, and this is the green candle. This represents the strength of the buyers, that they actually want to uh, go in the up direction. So now we have to be a little bit sure that where we have to punch the order in the up direction. My thought process was that if it crosses this green zone and we can have a quick scalping up till here, then we can try to move in the up direction. But as of now, I can see that market is not trying to test this uh, big green zone, and might want to go from here only, and might want to become create a U-turn from here. Then and it's fine. It's up to the market only. We can't do anything about this. Guys, there is a good opportunity in the selling side, and I am quite interested in punching the trade in the selling side. But let me wait for 2 more minutes. So this is my buying area. Okay. So I will punch my trade at 4694. Okay. Why I'm thinking that after this although the market is in higher highs, but there is a chances that market can make a another move till here, till this buying area. So I'm just thinking about this. And in Bitcoin, you can just see that at the same time, silver is at buying trend line, and at the same time is at the selling area as well. So quite good time to trade. We just have to be a little bit patient. Otherwise, we'll do a loss. 50 more seconds to close this candle. 20 more seconds to close this candle. This is a little bit dozy candle, which is quite uncertain. We might have a pullback as well. Don't know, because if yeah, let's see. Let's see. I sold I sold 20 quantities, and my stop loss being at this area, $90. Why order is not updated, guys? Okay, my target is this area. Okay, as soon as I jumped in the trade and that's why I'm looking that it might take a pullback. Well, let's see. This is the buying area actually. So there is a pause in the market as well. It's quite difficult for the market to fall. Hmm. There is this buying area which we didn't expected. We just took a trade from here. We should have waited a bit more. We should have waited a bit more, guys. At the same time, if it breaks, then it will definitely reach to our target. A good one. So it's trying to close in the downward direction, which is good. All right, good. That's good, guys. 7 more seconds to close this candle, and I want this candle to close in the red itself. Yeah, it closed in the red. That is very good sign. Now let me just decrease my. Let's put my stop loss at the top of this candle. Okay, nice, good one. Buying is coming from nowhere, guys. But this is very slow selling, guys. Market should have jumped right. I will not give any stop loss in this. I'm very confused in giving stop loss. Okay, let's gold do its thing. After this much of buying, market didn't respect this red candle, green candle, and then it went in the selling side. Okay, so this is where we have to avoid trading in. So this is no trading zone at all. Mm. Okay, something happened in gold, guys. Okay, not that much, but yeah, it's fine. Let gold do the whole thing. Target is very big enough, guys, so it will take some time. Oops, should have paused, guys. Okay, but the same time we can see that the chart. Okay, see, guys, see. I think our stop loss is already kicked out. Hmm. Took our stop loss, guys. This candle took our stop loss. It went down and it just 50 minute. There is no such. Uh, Look our stop loss, guys. If this green candle closes in the up direction now, guys, it will touch here for sure. Hmm, 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 hmm. I don't know why I'm feeling that it will go till here again. I have a strong feeling, guys. The silver is protecting it. थोड़ा सा रिस्क ले लेंगे इसमें फिर से. For some reason, it become very slow. For very slow, guys. Very slow. Bitcoin also went in sideways direction. Let's do swing trade, guys. Mm, Same time, slower is its trend line, guys. It has to break its trend line. Is this possible for this? Either it is trying to accumulating all the sellers and then it's tried to get the liquidity in the other direction. Because this is very weak and everyone wants to go in the downward direction. Matters of patience only. Like, should I wait or not? Huh. First time, second time, now this is third time the market is trying to go in the other direction. Turn on, turn on. वेरी बोरिंग है। तब से बैठा हूँ मैं, लाइक आई एम सिटिंग फॉर too many hours. It's like a days I've spent. Yeah, see, like just look at gold. Gold is taking its last breath. What should I do? Yeah, let's have one more risk. Let's do it $54 and let's try one more time. So this is one more time I took the risk in the selling side. This time, please fall this time, yeah. Don't fall this time. I am pretty sure that you will not fall. Actually, it literally depends on this silver. Finally, there is a breakout. Please fall, yeah. Please fall. Like you are literally testing my patience. Gold भाई, दिखाओ अपना जलवा. Show what you are. You're gold. Just shine like it. Okay, crazy. Good. Okay, finally, there is a fall started. Enjoy the fall. Ting 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 ting. Silver ने क्या? Yeah, bro, just fall na. There is another projection, another area where market can struggle is this. कौन जा भाई दोस्ती $3 दे दे यार. Going good actually. Going good. Can have the target here. This is our first target, guys. So there is nothing in this trade to get to lose, just to gain. So let's wait for our target. Let's wait for our target, guys. This is not good, guys. In silver, it is rejecting. Like after this trend line breakout, this can not be a false breakout. Otherwise, these guys who are sold over here can get trapped, and the market can reach up to here. If this is the real breakout, then it is very easy that market can touch this and then this as well. So in gold, since we have nothing to lose in this trade, we will cut this trade cost to cost. But at the same time, our running profit is more than $120 something. And now it is 77. Mm, I will wait for this to close either in giving us a profit, or you can just say you can have a TP. But at the same time, you can see that market is reversing, guys. It's reversing. See, this is a pullback, and as a trader, this is a very harsh thing to see. This is trading all about, to see the pullbacks. You have to see that your market, the market will take your losses. Sorry, take your profits. You have to see it. You have to see it with your naked eyes. Okay. One more time. So this time 140 plus dollar profit. It's good. Patience. Hell lot of patience. Hmm. 2 more minutes to close this candle, and Let's see how this candle gonna close. I'm not removing my SL, neither my profit. I just I will just wait. Either of them touch. I'm I'm good with both. Our target is $100 more far. Let's see what is happening at silver. Silver is still have scope to come at this area. So let's give gold more time. For gold, this target is nothing, bro. This target is nothing. So we have seen this trade as a roller coaster, guys. Nah? Like it went up, it went down, it paused. Now it is in the pausing phase again. So it is testing every kind of emotions inside me. I should book my profit, or should I let the profit running, or will the market reverse? So all these questions are also coming in my mind. And $150 is not a bad profit at all. But but as if you have earlier traded in gold, then I will tell you guys that whatever I have put in the TP is not a big deal for gold to crack, because gold has enormous potential. And what gold actually wants you to have a little bit patience. Either the gold will give you something, or gold will not give you anything, and it will. So this is a two-way sword, and sometime it works, sometime it didn't. um okay, so finally Bitcoin crossed this zone and breakout have given us a breakout. But this is not fully convincing breakout, guys. So it came after so much of hectic work. Mm, Gold is giving you a pullback, and this pullback is very hurting, guys. See, from $170 now you came at 120. Oh, so it's all part of game, and you have to show sportsmanship, guys. Come on, you have to just hype up gold. Now now let's hype gold. Hey gold, fall. You are my brother, right? Gold will say, ille. Brother, what brother? I will move whatever I want to move, however I want to move. So just a little creature. Why you came here? Just to trade. See, man, we from $170 now we are uh, struggling at $100. So it's target still 200 more dollars, guys. What do you think? Target will come or not? Tell me. You have to let me see how many people are watching me live. Guys, you have to show some support, guys. What are you doing, guys? You're just oh my god, crazy number of viewers, and that is one. I think I'm watching myself. It's also hurting. So I got hurt twice. Let me just minimize it and let me see what can see as a trader. I can see the good thing is yep. Oh, so you're not able to see profits. Yeah, guys, here my profit is running. I can see profit in downward direction also. But for you, oh words once again, for you, it is in the top. Looking like from phone that market can fall. Okay. See what happened here is our target is quite big, and for this, it is quite obvious that it will take a little bit time to reach at our target, or there might be a chance that market from here can build can consolidate and go in sideways and try to grab more buyers over here, and market can make a u-turn from here as well, not going fully to these the support zone. There might be these buyers who will try to take the market in that direction. Anything can happen, so we have to prepare ourselves for both the things. And I'm quite ready for any kind of result from. Okay, what is happening at Bitcoin is quite interesting to me as well. So okay, Bitcoin for the first time, second time, now this is third time. Bitcoin for the third time, and I can see a little bit of trend line as well in Bitcoin. So this is the market is making a trend line. So gold is trying another attempt. Let's see. It's already took a pullback. Now let's see it will move in the direction where it is originally in. And if this starts moving from here, I think it's the trade that I took is from 925, and then the time is 53. So it's 20 25 minutes, 20 minutes actually. Okay, sometimes straight can take hour or 30 minutes. It's fine. If your target is big enough, then it's fine only. This zone is creating a problem for us. This zone. हाँ मैं तुझसे दूर हूँ क्यों दूर मैं रहूं तेरा गुरूर हूँ हाँ तूफान सा मिला Come on, Gold. Come on. You're doing great. Shit. It took support again. Okay, not at a support, but crazy amount of reversal. Very bad and very sad for us. मैं तो लुट गया कहीं का ना रहा सी गाइस सी दिस इज फुल रिवर्सल वेरी बैड it happened. Oh, it's already 1 hour and 15 minutes. Guys, what happened to silver? Why you creating dagabaji, guys? So this is reversal, so this is where the so most of the sellers can get trapped if this crosses here. Hmm. Oh, Bitcoin has crossed this trend line. That's good. Okay. Gold is completely reversed, guys. Our entire hard work of last 1 hour or 30 minutes, you can just say, is going in vain. Have I put the big target? I think target is quite good enough, like 100, $290, something like that. I think that's the target, right? But Mm, I don't know when I come to the to trading. See, we struggled in sideways market, and gold is also reversing, guys. It's fine only. Um, now what happened here is after this green candle, it's quite difficult for the market to make a U-turn again and go in the downward direction. This green candle will invite more buyers to come in and then can take the market in U-turn and go in the up direction. Because this green candle is the result of all the sellers who tried to jumped in and trying to think that market will reach till here, have their stop losses here, and all of a sudden market is reversed. So these sellers are panicking like me. My profit is also reduced, right, from $150, $170 to $60. So it's quite obvious that they will start booking their profits. See, told you guys, this big green candle will invite more buyers and eventually also wipe out the early sellers like me, because my stop loss is also here, right? So it will also get hit. So like me, there are so many sellers whose stop loss are at this that area, and it's trying to reach at that area. See, this is complete reversal, guys, and you can't help it out. Can't help it out, guys. Guys, I'm stopping this session. I will not close this trade. I will just wait for the market either to take my stop loss and or it will give me a target. So this is a swing trade, guys, for me right now, and I will not touch this anything. So we'll update you tomorrow about this trade. So I'm just writing the notes what I have to do with this trade. Cancel. Yes, we'll update later. Let me save this note. Order not updated. Yeah, no one want to you to update the order. Just what is this? Save. Will update this later. Save it. Okay, something went wrong in the application. Never mind. I will see since I have only took I think two trades today. Yeah, I only took two trades today. So I will update you guys. And what is this trade about? $78 of what? When? This is crazy, guys. But I haven't took this trade, guys. This one. Oh, okay, okay. I think I have took this trade, and 925. Yeah, this one is the trade. Okay, so there is a glitch over here. I will close this trade. Don't worry. I will not consider this trade, guys. So I don't know how it happened, but it happened miraculously. All right, guys. So let me. I will fix it. So have a nice day, guys, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. But one second, I think trade is going in our direction. Mm, but we'll update you. All right. So bye bye. See you tomorrow. See. Uh. Yeah. See now it's look like that it is going in my direction, but at the same time it is not going in my direction. So it's funny overall. I have to read this. Uh, Bye guys.